The world needs strong women who will lift and build others, who will love and be loved. Women who will live bravely, both tender and fierce. Women of indomitable will. Women. Women assume multiple responsibilities as daughters, wives, mothers, workers, and members of society. The world needs more women stepping into their power and leading the change they want to see. Good morning to all. On behalf of DPS, I am Meenakshi Chaudhary wish all the women a very happy Women's Day. According to the official International Women's Day website, IWD is a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating women's equality. IWD has occurred for well over a century, with the first IWD gathering in 1911, supported by over 1 million people. Today, IWD belongs to all groups collectively everywhere. IWD is not country, group or organization specific. Dear friends, this day is one of the most important days of the year to celebrate women's achievement. This day is to raise awareness about women's equality, and this day is to raise fund for female-focused charities. The International Women's Day theme for 2021 is Choose to Challenge, which highlights the importance of challenging biases and misconceptions in the interest of creating a more inclusive and gender-equal world. The United Nations also issued a 2021 theme, Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. The theme celebrates the tremendous efforts by women and girls around the world in shaping a more equal future and recovery from COVID-19 pandemic. Women stand at the front lines of the COVID-19 crisis. Women leaders and women's organizations have demonstrated their skills, knowledge and networks to effectively lead in COVID-19 response and recovery efforts. Gloria Steinem, world-renowned feminist, journalist and activist, once explained, "The story of women's struggle for equality belongs to no single feminist, nor to any one organization, but to the collective efforts of all who care about human rights." At the end of my speech, I would say, let us make International Women's Day our day and do what we can to truly make a positive difference for women. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.